Oh gosh. Oh gosh. Here we go. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, we are out here at Logan's house for the first time in forever. Gonna do a little riding.
Oh baby, let's ride some dirt bikes. So it's a nice, cloudy, dreary, crappy, poopy, whatever you want to call it, Wednesday afternoon. I just picked Ian up from his house, unloaded his bike, and now it's time to rip. Oh. There's the Danger Ranger. Woo! Oh boy, it's going to be muddy. Look at that though. You guys haven't been riding with us in a while when out here. Actually, we haven't even been riding in a while out here. But look at the green. I mean, it's awesome. Matches my bike. Yeah, it's like, I mean, if you look at it, it looks like spring out here. I like it. Let this baby warm up. She's all back, spitting and sputtering, backfiring a little bit. That's okay. Oh, keeping the camera clean is gonna be a pain. Oh!
Oh, there is Logan with the 2014 LP Designs fly gear. I did a wheelie. Did he already get on the trail? He got on the trail. He didn't even wait for me. What a dick. Okay. The chase is on. Oh my god.
Oh my goodness, there's stuff in the way. Woo! Oh, we're gonna go around that. Yes, I'm loving it. Woo!
Gotta play it safe. The chase is on, Logan. I'm on the way. I'm rolling hot. On the way.
Look at the green. Oh my god. Guys, I'm having the time of my life right now. Muddy or not. Oh, outside line. Gotta run it. Snap some trees. Oh! don't take crap. You don't just pass me.
What hill?
I don't know. We'll find one. We'll start off easy.
Like what?
What?
What's easy to you? Because easy to you is a lot different than what's easy for me.
Really, the one over there with all the roots at the top of it.
The one that we had like the waterfall going down that one day? Look, there's going to be a waterfall going down it like right now. Logan, if I get stuck on it, I'm blaming it on you. No. Oh, okay, I see how it is.
Saying that's hard. What a freaking weenie. The easiest hill here. Besides the driveway. I don't know if he's gonna make it up that. Because that was kind of difficult, actually.
Did he make it? Did you make it? Taking eyes a no. Oh, he did. Okay, whatever.
We'll just head right down here. Oh, let's see how he does.
Oh my gosh. I made it. It was sketchy like when I did it.
I don't know about this one. We'll figure it out. Do something kind of fun real quick. Throwing roost. Throwing roost is what I do. Oh yeah. Throwing roost is what I do. Oh yeah. Oh God. Yeah, throwing roost. Throwing roost is what I do. Oh yeah, throwing roost is what I do. Oh yeah. That's a good song right there. Yeah, throwing roost is what I do.
What? 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 What were you saying?
Alright, let's go for it. Whatever. Oh. Owie.
What the heck, bro?
Hey, I don't need your lip.
Okay, Logan, I thought we were laying it down, but we weren't laying it down. You just laid it down. Literally.
We are. I didn't lay nothing down. We're good. We are good.
Logan, what happens if I make it up at first try?
I'll give you $1 if you make it up at first try. Yeah.
Logan, where are you at? Air shake. We got an air shake on it.
Okay. You're on. Hey, actually, hey, let's change it. Let's change it. First one to make it up, it gets $1. Okay. I will win this. What? No, it's perfectly fine. Oh, yeah. Oh, 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 oh.